Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Gemini on your laptop and ensuring it's updated. This prevents permission conflicts and makes features available. Once ready, grant microphone and camera access in your operating system. This avoids abrupt prompts later. Then open the meeting or the chat with the person you'll share with and click the Share Screen button to start the handshake. You do this now because initiating from the meeting context grants correct stream permissions and keeps window focus for screen selection. You now select what to share: entire screen for full context, window for one app, or tab for a single browser tab. Choose based on privacy and clarity. Make sure to enable system audio when sharing videos so participants hear sound, and quickly test volume to avoid feedback. If Gemini shows resolution or frame rate options, pick a balance: higher quality for demos, lower for unstable connections. These choices control recipient experience, so be deliberate about trade-offs between clarity and bandwidth. You finish by clicking Stop Sharing, and when applicable, ensure any recording is saved to the chosen folder. This secures the content for later review. Before ending, close or minimize sensitive windows to prevent accidental exposure if you resume sharing. If the screen is blank, audio missing, or recipients report lag, restart Gemini, regrant screen and audio permissions, and switch from entire screen to window or tab to isolate the problem. This quick troubleshooting usually restores sharing without disrupting your session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.